Okay, then bowler, take the strain. Okay, we're going to in. 3, 2, 1, tug. Oh no, that's it, stop. This is pointless, we're dug in. We need to go to Invigilator to find out who they're going to award the win to. Gotta be me, right? Come on, Invigilator, what say you?
Yeah, the Hennessey pulled the bowler back until it just became a stalemate, so you won.
Yay, go Hennessey! However, that's not the end, because the bowler has a friend. Okay, now we're going to try and break the stalemate, because we've got 2 bowlers versus 1 Hennessey. They are connected. I have now put my vehicle into tow mode. See if that helps. I'm going to take up the strain. Right, definitely the strain taken up. Okay, bowler dudes, I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! They just dug holes. Now I have to. I was doing a really good job of just like holding it. They're not pulling me backwards. I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, look at them just weaving about. I'll hold you all day, guys. Okay, so I think that's a stalemate. Definitely a stalemate. Let's call that. Right, so stalemate. I think we need to add another bowler to just make this conclusive. Let's do it. Now we have 3 bowlers versus 1 Hennessey. If you enjoy videos like with the tug-of-war, so I'm just going to take the slack out of the rope now. This will be interesting. Can they pull me? Okay, bowler boys. I count it in. 3, 2, 1, tug. Oh no, no, no! Losing! Oh, what? God, no! God, this is messy! Yeah, stop! Oh no, that was humiliating. I definitely lost then. It took 3 bowlers to defeat 1 Hennessey. So I think that's... I was going to say it's a moral victory to the Hennessey, but it's not, I lost. It just is what it is. It was a lot of fun. I dug up some serious dirt then. At one point I thought it was just going to be a complete stalemate and then they'd drag me backwards, even if I dug in. But 3 was just too much for this big beast to handle. Got to hand it to it though, it performed admirably. Big thanks to the guys from Bowler for taking part in this challenge, and if you would like to see a good saving that I've got on an SUV, click on the pop-out button up there, or the link in the description below to go to car and check out what the offer is and what the car is.